Hello, awesome folks. Welcome back to this side hustle series. So, as we started out 2024 with a blow, we decided to create new templates and things so that I can build a side hustle for myself and maybe explore all the crazy ideas that I hear about that people do them and that is life changing. So, now that we are into this and it is the 14th day of 2024, now, what I am trying to do is to create a framer template. So the second thing in our challenge was to create a framer template. And for the framer template, the expectations were very simple. The total expectations were to just move ahead and publish a template, right? So let's recap this whole process and where we are standing today. So, all right, when we kicked off this series, our goal was very simple to create framer template one and launch it. I'm very thrilled to announce that we are just halfway through these 10 days of framer and I have already made a fantastic template. It is good for all those people who want to start out using our landing page. And if you love 3D elements like icons and more, this template is going to be absolutely amazing for you because I have also incorporated those little animations and elements so that your template is going to stand out. Cool. Now the target is already achieved and we still have a lot of time left. So what I was thinking was to put it out on Gumroad and try selling it to see maybe if somebody buys it. So my aim is to put it out at $5 because I think that's pretty something that people might be interested to buy it. And I'm going to publish it at uh, $5. Cool. I actually want to feel like does my product resonate with the community? How exactly things are. And what I did was I researched out all the existing templates in this space and I saw that this can exist independently because people are selling similar templates for $29. So 5 does sound reasonable compared to that, but me being a beginner, I just want to explore and try it out. Cool. Now, I have also prepared a free template as a gift. And if you buy that, you can also get that for free on Gumroad if you go through the link in the description box. Cool. Uh, so we are making some progress and giving back to the community simultaneously, and the aim is to learn and grow with the community. Now, the next thing as we move ahead, and I still have 5 more days left in this challenge, what I want to do is I have a existing free template available already. And besides that, I have launched few of my websites earlier in Framer. So the one which I like most, I'm going to use that, customize it, and make it better. Like there are few missing sections. So like there is no feedback and rating thing over there. There is no about the product description. So I'm going to add all those things and improve it to see whether this we can put out as a template available or not. Again, the target which we tried is already achieved. Even if we get a single dollar through this, it's a win-win because the target is already achieved. So that sounds exciting, right? And since I am already ahead of my deadline, it makes me feel really good because I think like I still have half of the time left. I can create, and this is what I wanted to start out when I started this series, to push me to try out new things and maybe see if some magic happens. Cool. I told you about a free gift template available for free. So there is a link to that in the description. So even if you don't want that 3D template, you can get a free template available. Link to that is in my description box. You can get it, and it's my way of saying thank you that you watched this. You know I'm a beginner. It feels very exciting when somebody clicks on it. Free or not does not matter. I just want to see that people are here who are okay copying my templates. So grab it, use it, and let me know what you think. I want to improve, so please do give your feedback. Your valuable feedback means a lot to